I knew that something had to give because living life the way that I was living was not okay anymore. I completely was exhausted. I had no mental clarity at all. I struggled to even get up out of bed. I was going to bed and getting up exhausted. When I started these 3 steps, I was able to actually get up and do functionable things every single day, day in and day out, and actually get to enjoy life. Going to the park with my son was an exciting thing to do. I wasn't that mom that was sitting on the bench looking like she was dragging through life. I was the one that was chasing him up the slide and going across the monkey bars and actually living life and enjoying moments. It is the real thing. And I hear people say all the time, well, I've tried everything. I've done that before. If you've not done Thrive, you've not done it all.